In this video, I'll walk through the steps to delete a file from a collaborative space on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. I'm starting with a blank dashboard just to show you the apps I'm going to use to get this done. So the first app I'm looking for is 3D Space, where I can see my collaborative spaces, and then I need Collaborative Lifecycle. I'm going to search for a file that I want to delete. And to search in a collaborative space, first I'll open up the collaborative space I want to look in. And then in the menu in the upper right corner of the widget, I can search in widget. And I'm going to search for a part number here. I'll drag and drop this file into the collaborative lifecycle side of the page. And this pulls up the ability to change the maturity state. I can perform other lifecycle operations like creating a new revision or locking or sharing the file. But from here you can see there's the trash can icon to permanently delete the selected object. You can also right click on the file name and hit delete. This permanently deletes the object and it'll clear itself out of the collaborative lifecycle widget. It may take a moment to index for this file to actually be removed from the collaborative space, but this file has been deleted. Sometimes files cannot be deleted if they are referenced by other objects. I'll try to delete this extender component by dragging and dropping it into Collaborative Lifecycle, right-click, delete, and I'm going to get a message that this object cannot be deleted because it is referenced by other objects. This means it's probably referenced by a drawing or an assembly or something else. I can right-click on the file and open Relations, which is going to bring up a pop-up view in front of my screen where I can see what files this is referenced in. So here we can see the extender is used in the 4280 assembly, so I would have to delete the 4280 assembly first, and then I'd be able to delete the extender. You can also view this screen in Data Grid view, where it just shows the files in a list. I'll close this window, and to clear out the Collaborative Lifecycle app in the case that you don't want to or are unable to delete this particular file, you can select the file and then hit the Close button, which will clear the content from view and opens up the Collaborative Lifecycle widget for other files to be dragged in.